How do curb cuts improve accessibility in NYC? Have you ever thought about how small changes can make a big difference in a bustling city like New York? One such change is the installation of curb cuts. So, how do these simple ramps improve accessibility in New York City? Let's break it down. Curb cuts are ramps built into sidewalks at street corners. They slope down to street level, creating a smooth transition from the sidewalk to the road. This design is especially beneficial for people using wheelchairs or other mobility aids. Without curb cuts, the vertical step of a curb can be a major barrier, making it hard for many to navigate the city safely. These ramps do more than just help wheelchair users. They provide tactile detectable warnings at the edges of sidewalks. This feature assists individuals who are blind or have low vision in identifying safe street crossings. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance safety for everyone. Curb cuts also reduce tripping hazards for all pedestrians. By eliminating abrupt curb edges, they create a safer environment for older adults, children, and anyone walking. This means fewer accidents and a more pleasant experience for everyone on the streets. Parents pushing strollers, travelers with luggage, and delivery workers with carts all benefit from curb cuts too. These ramps make it easier for them to move around the city without obstacles. It's a win-win for everyone involved. New York City has made a commitment to ensure that all 162,000 street corners are fully accessible with American Disabilities Act compliant curb cuts within the next 15 years. This involves surveying every corner to find where curb cuts are missing or broken. The city plans to install or upgrade them to meet accessibility standards. This effort reflects a principle known as the curb cut effect. Improvements made for people with disabilities often benefit a larger population. For example, a parent with a stroller or a traveler with a suitcase can navigate the city more easily thanks to curb cuts designed for wheelchair access. For visitors planning their trip to New York City, curb cuts mean easier and safer street crossings, especially for those with mobility challenges. Sidewalks become more inclusive, accommodating a wide range of users. This makes walking and public transit connections more accessible. Curb cuts also promote greater independence for people with disabilities. They can explore the city with less assistance, making their visit more enjoyable. Overall, curb cuts are a vital part of New York City's commitment to accessible urban design. They improve safety, convenience, and mobility for everyone, making the city a better place to visit and live.